I will show you 5 ways to create professional dropdown in Excel. Let's go start. Here is my master record, as you can see, and I want the dropdown list over here for the vendor name. So select the area, go to the data tool, select data validation, choose list, select the source, and OK. Now you can see we get the dropdown list in our Excel. If we update our new record in our master record, the new record not able to view over here. So we want to dynamically update the drop down list. Here we can start convert this record into a table. Go to the insert, choose table, press OK. Go to the data validation, choose list, and now select the vendor name. Press enter. Now the drop down list created. If I update any Excel record in our list, you can see record updated. If you want to create a drop down list from previous table dynamically, this could not happen. If I update the new record, you can notice no record visible after updating in a table. So to set the data, we have to define, go to the previous table, select the vendor name, go to the formula tab, then name manager, select new, define the name, vendor, refer the value I already selected, enter OK. There is no space between the value. Copy the value, name, and close. Now go to the data tab, in data tools, select data validation, choose the list, and the data source equals to vendor name. I already copied, paste, press OK. Data validation updated. If I update any record in data, then it automatically reflects. If you like the video, please comment and subscribe.